Hi, Sailtime friends. We're on the Beneteau 45, and we're going to go over the remote VHF and how they work together with the VHF. So here's your VHF, and then here is your remote VHF that you can use from the cockpit. This charges wirelessly and works wirelessly, so it's really nice. So I'm going to pop that off just like that. I'm going to turn on the radio just like that, and notice that anytime I change channels here, it changes channels here. Okay, so everything that I can do on this VHF, I can do on this VHF. Now, this handheld is different than this remote handheld right here. So this one is just a backup. Don't use this one on a daily basis. This one, antenna is here. The antenna for this one is at the top of the mast in conjunction with the other one. So this is the one you'll want to put on in the cockpit on a daily basis. All right, thank you.